してよ街の中
Okay guys, so for the first product, by the way, they are all from the brand called Beauty of Joseon. I've talked about Beauty of Joseon on my channel before because I'm a huge fan of their skincare products. Really, they cater towards more traditional Korean skincare. So yeah, I'm so excited to talk about it. First off, let's start with my most favorite and most used serum out of all the serums that I got. And this is the Repair Serum. It has ginseng and snail mucin. Ginseng is basically regarded as the Korean gold because it has so much benefits for your skin, and some royal families before uses them to, like, you know, cure some illnesses. And I really love this product so much. I love it. So basically, this focuses on repairing your skin, and also it helps with anti-wrinkle. And you guys, this product is just hands down my most favorite serum out of all the serums that I've used before, because it does work. Despite this product having snail mucin, it is not sticky at all, which is what I really appreciate about this product. Because the reason why I stopped using serums is because sometimes it gets so sticky and so uncomfortable, but this one doesn't does that, and it really absorbs faster on your skin, which is why I really like this serum. And yeah, this is the serum that I've been using at night. So the next serum is the Glow Serum, and I love this serum. This is my morning serum. I use this in the morning, and I really love it because it has propolis and niacinamide. And I've mentioned before, I'm pretty sure I've mentioned before on my channel, that I really love propolis and niacinamide, and them together is amazing. I really love this product because I can definitely see the difference. All the discoloration on my face are almost completely gone, and I've been using this product for almost 2 weeks now. Really love it, and I highly recommend this to all of you guys who are having trouble with discoloration and a little bit of acne scars. This product is a must for you guys. I highly recommend that you try this out. Last serum that I wanted to talk about is the Calming Serum. Now this serum is a lifesaver because, ironically, after I filmed my skincare video, I started breaking out because I got my period, and it's not even a new thing to me. I always break out whenever I have my period. So I started to elevate my skincare a little by adding some serums, and this is the first serum that I use out of all the 3 serums because that time I was breaking out. And you guys, only use this product for about 3 days, and all the spots on my skin are almost already gone, which is why I'm just mind blown. I love this product so much. And you guys know that green tea is really good for redness, or if you have some acne, it's really good to calm down your skin. So I really recommend this. If you have acne prone to sensitive skin, then definitely give this product a try. And then last product that I wanted to talk about is some face masks. I love this product specifically because it has Centella in it, and Centella is good for calming and for acne. So I really love this product, and I have acne prone skin, so I use this whenever I feel like my skin is not in its best condition. So yeah, and also, can we talk about the packaging because it's so pretty? Okay guys, so that's it for my mini skincare review. I hope you find this helpful. Let me know what you think on the comment section down below, like which serums you think would be best fit for your skin. And yeah, now let's hop on to the actual makeup tutorial. Let's get started. helpful. And yeah, I'll see you on my next